G'day guys, Josh again. Today I'm going to try something a little bit different. I've never made homemade bread and I got sent the recipe and there's a couple of names in Finnish but I'll work it out. But I've never done it before, so I thought why not just film it. Could be fun. So what we need to start with, we need 5 deciliters of some dark wheat. I think we've got something up here. I think that's it. It's finished, but we're going to give that one a crack. And we also need 3 deciliters of white wheat. I think we'll try this one. It looks like it. Something to do with bread. And then we need 2 spoons of baking powder. Baking powder. Actually, I don't really know, but one of these got to be. Hang on, better read this. A little bit stuck. Baking. Think. What else have we got in the cupboard here? We need sugar. Got some sugar. This one. No. Oh, I don't think it's that one, is it? No. That's not it. That's not it. That's flour. We don't want flour, I don't think. I'm pretty sure one of these is baking powder. What's this one? Well, oh, hang on. We have something at the back here. What's this? That hasn't been opened yet, so no, it doesn't look like it. So I'm running out of options here. It's not that. I wish someone could help me out right now. What's this one say? Well, this one here says baking, so I'm going to say it's baking powder. It's probably not, but who cares? We'll put it in and see what happens. So, right, I think we've got all the ingredients. Let me just have a look here. Small spoon of salt. We need salt. Here's some salt. Got some salt. 2 spoons of sugar. We've got sugar. Seeds or nuts. What have we got in here in the way of seeds or nuts? That'll do. It's in Finnish, I think, or Norwegian, but we'll use that too. So then all we need to do is mix it in water. So I've got to turn the oven on. I forgot about that. 180, done. All right. So what we need to do is need something to put it in. First of all, deciliter cup. So we need 5 deciliters of the dark wheat. I'm guessing this is the dark wheat. It's like a bag of cement. 5 of these bad boys. Oh, that's about 1. There's Josh's measurement. That's about 2, 3, 4, 5. 5's done. Now we need 3 of which one? We need 3 deciliters. I'm guessing it's this one. That's my guess. I'm guessing it's this one. So we're going to go with three of this one, Sanante Thai. I don't know if that's how you say it, but anyway. 1, 2, 3. Looking good. Not even too much of a mess, which is good. Alright, now we need 1 small spoon of salt. Got the organic salt out. Sprinkle that in there. Done. And 2 spoonfuls of sugar. It's about that. That'll do. And then we need seeds. Where are your seeds? There you are. Let's open you up. We'll just tip a bit in like that. I'm pretty sure that'll mix through. Now all we need to do is add water. We'll get the deciliter cup and 5 to 6. I'm going to start with 5, see how we go with that. 1, 2, we'll just do it the quick way. 3, 4, and 5. Now, I think we're looking pretty good. Don't know if you can see that. Now I've got to get my spoon out. Give it a stir. Righto, good old spoon. Stir that around, make a bit of mess, that's alright. It ain't cooking if you don't make a mess. Can't beat homemade bread, but I just hope that I'm making it right. Right, that's getting a bit thick. I might need one more water, I think. I'll give it 1 more water. Oh, yum. I know the best part about cooking is tasting the ingredients. Interesting. Right, we'll get 1 more water out. There we go. I actually think the spoon's not doing any good. But gotta get your hands dirty. Let's do it. Give it a little bit of a mould stir. Now, I think, don't know if that's too thick or not. I know my good friend Kaz back there in Tassie at Cafe Merivale, she'll be loving this right now. She'll be thinking, what the hell are you doing, Josh? Anyway. Right, I got my... You idiot. Right, I've got my baking paper and I've got the tray. I think I'm just going to put these into bowls, sit them on there and sit them in the oven for 20 minutes. That looks about right. Plonk one there. Making little buns. Moment of truth. Oven light's gone off. Oven mitt on. These things are going in. Have a quick look at them first. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping they look pretty good. In the oven. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Alright, moment of truth. 20 minutes gone. Let's have a look. Well, there's their hot Josh. They just came out of the oven. I don't know about that. To me that looks not too bad. I'll let them cool for a minute and then we'll give them a taste. Alright. Alright. Time to put these bad boys on the plate. Pull them down. They're looking pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with myself. Yes, that oven tray is still hot, Josh. Just put that over the back there. There's one thing that you can't beat is butter on fresh made bread. So we'll get out the butter and we'll get out a knife and the bread cutter. Butter is still pretty hot, but we're going to slice this one open. Still think it needs a bit longer. Looks like it's not quite cooked in the middle. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. Maybe it's just because it's hot. I don't know, but I'm pretty impressed. First time making bread. Kez, how did I go? Comment below. Alright. Taste test. Delish. Still think they need a little bit longer in the oven, but that's damn good. Stick to your teeth. But I'm gonna put these back in the oven probably about 2 or 3 more minutes. Then they'll be good to go, I reckon. Back in the oven, 2 or 3 more minutes. Then they're coming back out and I'm going to eat a couple of them. Been 2 or 3 minutes now. They're all coming out. And whatever they look like, we're going to eat them anyway. Oven off before you burn the house down. Then they look a little bit better. Guess that tray is still hot, Josh. Can sit there. Voila! Homemade, fresh homemade bread. Gonna let it cool down. Anyway, that's my first ever attempt at making homemade bread. Bit of fun, pretty easy. Everyone's gonna laugh, but anyway. That was so easy, I'm gonna make some more, I think. Well, hope you liked that video. There was something different, a little bit of fun. And I hope inside of these aren't too gooey, like the last one I just ate. Should be alright. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Peace out, see you in the next one.